Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? This is your boy PK back after so many days. And of course, you know, I say this every video that I'll come like every week, but I'm unable to, so really sorry for that. So today morning I just woke up and there was a call from Amazon that you've got some orders. I was really excited. What did I get? Then I remembered that I had bought a few cases for my phones, and I was really excited about it because I got them at a great discount. There was the New Year Christmas sale going on. I bought a case for $6 and another for about $10. I have the link in the description also, guys. And they were really good quality cases. I've seen them with a few of my friends, but I got this at a great discount, which they hadn't got. So I'm really excited about it, and I'm here to unbox it. So without any further ado, guys, let's get into the video, shall we? Have the cases, guys, nice, clean, and premiumly packed from Amazon. So let's just get them out without any further ado. Look at that, premiumly packed, really nice. Not that much plastic packing, really nice packing. Let's keep it here, open it one. Wow, look at this one too. This is from another company, and this is also nice and premiumly packed for so much less price. Alright, so open this. Let's open this. This one, wow, it's just kind of glass type. It's not a plastic, but it's just a hard glass, and the rubber quality here is pretty awesome, I would say. Let's open the other one. Nice 9 Plus case. Also, it's pretty firm. I mean, I have my OnePlus right here, so we can just get it in. Wow. It just fits so nice. Sorry, I just put the wrong case, guys. You can see I just put in the Samsung case. This is my OnePlus case right here. Fits really nice. We can see the OnePlus logo right here. It's pretty thick, as you can see over here. So I don't think the phone is gonna break anymore if this falls mistakenly from your hand. Wow, this is really a great case, to be honest, guys. I have my links in the description, so you can just go and buy them out. Really nice, really great cases for $10 overall. So guys, that was the video. I have all my affiliate links for the cases and other stuff down there in the description, guys. So make sure, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't, of course, the dislike button. And if you want to watch more videos like this once in a week, hit the subscribe red button. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.